So starting with the Xiaomi 13 Pro, it is the best in class device with 6.73-inch display and max out refresh rate. Best part is it has got curved edges which I like a lot, and there's HDR10 plus support, and the peak brightness can go max out 1900 nits, which is brighter than Samsung S22 Ultra 1750 nits but not close to iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is fine for a device costing half the price. The rear design got a squarish module with the famous 1-inch Sony IMX989 camera, can shoot amazing images. We have seen the performance in Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Yeah, on top there's Leica lens and Hyper OIS stabilization, which is awesome. Then there is a telephoto lens with 3x zoom and a super wide angle shooter of 50 megapixel each. So yeah, overall a fantastic setup, and yeah, of course can shoot awesome images in day and night lighting condition thanks to the best in class sensor, Leica optimization and latest ISP. The main highlight of this device is TSMC made 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is powerful and power efficient with AnTuTu score reaching a million plus. This with LPDDR5X RAM and powerful UFS 4.0 storage is gonna destroy most flagship out there in the market right now. So an extremely powerful device with decent heat dissipation, IP68 certification, IR blaster is on top, and yes, a not so small 4820 mAh battery with Surge P1 chip allowing 120 watts of fast wire charging.